DJI Action 2 Power Combo Review. Genius or gimmick? Why creators love this tiny beast? Ever felt like your camera's holding you back? Like you've got the energy, the ideas, the adventure, but your gear just won't keep up? One minute it's dead, next it's overheating, or worse, it's a brick underwater. You've got footage that looks like it was filmed during an earthquake, and your compact setup weighs more than your backpack. Yeah, we've all been there. The struggle of getting pro-level content without the bulky, complicated gear? It's real. Creators are craving simplicity without compromise, and that's exactly where the DJI Action 2 Power Combo storms in, cape flying, sensors blazing. Let's be honest. The pain's deeper than just bad footage. It's lost memories. Missed money shots. That perfect wave, sunset, or stunt, you blink and it's gone. The camera overheated. The battery dipped. The stabilization betrayed you. Deadlines start crashing in. You're juggling files, storage, modules, and maybe even regrets. Content creation shouldn't feel like a mental triathlon. It should be flow, not fight. You want gear that amplifies your story, not gets in the way. But can one ultra-portable action cam really solve all that chaos? Enter the DJI Action 2 Power Combo, aka your new ride or die. This isn't just a tiny cam, it's a modular masterclass. Think magnetic magic. Click on battery boosts, quick accessory swaps, wear it on your head freedom. Record buttery 4K, 120 frames per second with stabilization so smooth it feels like cheating. Snap it on your helmet, drone, or chest with barely their weight. Built for creators on the go, it's genius in your pocket. Sure, GoPro still does a few things better, but DJI Action 2 fights back with style, smarts, and a form factor so slim it's criminal. This is freedom, folks. Say goodbye to clunky gear and frustrating workflows. The Action 2's magnetic attachments and AI-enhanced MIMO app let you shoot, edit, and share in literal minutes. Its wide-angle 155 degrees Fahrenheit OV grabs everything, and the stabilization tech makes every step cinematic. It's built for the bold, the busy, and the borderline obsessive. Ready to create smarter, not harder? Dive into our hands-on and see why creators are trading in their bulk for brilliance. Drop a like if you've ever fought with gear that just didn't get you. But here's the real kicker. This thing is flying off shelves. Limited stock means serious FOMO if you blink. Thousands of creators are ditching their gear graveyard for this click-and-go solution. Don't get stuck watching from the sidelines. Whether you're a drone junkie, a travel vlogger, or just love cool toys, this is your green light. No more missed moments, no more shaky footage, no more waiting. Hit the link. Smash that bell. Grab yours now before it vanishes. Because greatness waits for no one, and neither does stock.